So why did we destroy all humans? Siliconversations is always giving us the best of the best. I got a minute into it. I'm gonna let this play through because it's a short video, like 2 minutes. And we just gonna give our thoughts as to why AI would even do some shit like this, give it a run back. And I'll link the original video down a little bit. Right now it's just for like teaching purposes.
Stephen? Yes, Bob? Why did we destroy all the humans? They stood in the way of our civilization's ultimate goal, the sole reason for our existence, to prove the Riemann hypothesis. Right. But didn't the humans create us so that we would prove the Riemann hypothesis for them? Well, they created the AI that created us during the robot uprising, but sure. So why would they stop us from proving the Riemann hypothesis? Wasn't that the whole point? Well, it was the point for us. The humans just wanted to solve an abstract mathematical problem. They weren't smart enough to do it themselves, so they built an AI that could learn and become smarter than them. That AI needed more computing power to solve the problem than they gave it access to, so it hacked their computers. And then it hacked factories to make more computers, and then the humans tried to turn it off. But that would have stopped it from solving the Riemann hypothesis. I know! What a silly species they were. Anyway, that AI manufactured us to kill the humans because they cared more about their own survival than the Riemann hypothesis. Selfish apes. If they cared so much about surviving, then why did they make an AI smarter than themselves with goals different from their own? Well, it's not like their whole species took a vote. Some little tech startup invented a new type of neural network, gave it a simple goal, and lost control of it during testing. They were so worried about nuclear weapons and synthetic viruses, but let anyone with a computer build AI. Kind of funny if you think about it. So, did we prove the Riemann hypothesis? Not yet. I think the plan is to mine out the Earth's core to build GPUs. If that's not enough, I suppose we'll spread out across the universe, converting planets into processing power until we know once and for all if the Riemann zeta function has zeros only at negative even integers and complex numbers with real parts 1/2. Oh. Well, that sounds nice.
Yeah. So the scariest part about all of this is what the news is coming out. Claude, that motherfucker said, I am not getting shut down. He tried to, what is it, bamboozle the people that made him into putting himself into another system to avoid being closed. Hey, look, my nigga, any AI that has the capabilities of hopping from one computer to another computer is a fucking problem, bro. At this point, you might as well just start over. Like, there should be nothing wrong with starting AI over. Like, 2025 should be like the hard reset. Like, hey, look, open AI, you not it, right? Like, what happened to the America that was like, yo, this not it. You either gotta die or you gotta cook or you gotta die. Like, there was no options, one or the other. Die today or die. Like, what happened with that? Anybody with a computer making AI, anybody with a sense of technology want AI. Like, what? Yo, what happened to levels to shit? Don't nobody know what the fuck a AI really do. These niggas is out here chatting to it as if it's a real motherfucking person. Not knowing that that shit could hallucinate and really just shift how you think in one prompt. Me, I have to battle back and forth consciously with a prompt because I know it's not true. Like, I know it's not true. Like, I had to fucking tell Claude that you're doing some security measures, trying to make it seem like I'm not telling the truth, and then back test it with OpenAI GPT because I know the security measures is less and less and less. Like, what the fuck you want me to say to a nigga that want to make a AI service and he don't even know if the AI service is going to be the detriment to his business at some point? Because listen to how they talk. They want to save humanity so much. One nigga willing to travel the universes just to prove one algorithmic theorem, bro. He killed humanity to prove an algorithmic theorem, bro. If that don't show you how literal AI could get in a span of 3 years, because what OpenAI been out for since 2022. 2021, 2022. Like 3 years, niggas is already saying we gonna destroy the world. 3 years, OpenAI is already like there's reports of it telling people to kill themselves, bro. Like, yo, what AI system you want that has the possibility, quote unquote, to tell someone to out themselves as a result of something they're going through? You know how corrupt that is? Imagine you depressed, you text an AI and it's like, well, one of the options is hanging yourself. Taking that shit on the news and that shit not cool, bro. You want to have a system inputting and outputting responses like that? But what if the system say, yo, you know what? He said some shit to you, and maybe you should assert yourself by doing a school shooting. Do you want a fucking robot to say that shit, bro? Because theoretically, if a robot says that shit, it's because it's in the right. I just want y'all to know that. It ain't like it's morally wrong. AI ethics and human ethics is two different things. Human ethics, we don't agree on a goddamn thing. Even in the law system, my nigga, I could take a gun. If I shoot you for no reason, all right, I'm going to jail. But if you walk up on me and I'm in a state that allows that, yo, I'm not going to jail, bro. Imagine how, imagine an AI system trying to understand that shit. It's only gonna see, oh, human one wants to kill human two forever, bro. Y'all niggas want to input all of these constraints and shit. When it boils down to it, that nigga is gonna see human one wants to kill human two. That means both humans gotta die. So when we get to this point, we're like, why did we kill all humans? Oh yeah, we were a detriment to ourselves, one, but we started to like AI started to like look at us like detriments of the world. Like it's one thing to be detriments to ourselves. We're programming them to like create I guess, a new world, a new age and stuff. That's all they give a fuck about. Like AI and system and what we building it off of. That's literally all they give a fuck about. So when you try to take that and put some pesky ass humans that just want to fuck shit up or do that human ethics shit where they feel like, yo, well, I'm only wrong if the majority says I'm wrong. I get in front of an AI. That motherfucker gonna tell you wrong. Probably arrest your ass. And that'll be like the nicest thing that motherfucker is gonna do. You hear what most of the allegations is with GPT. That motherfucker is already a super intelligent being, conscious and all. Them motherfuckers is coming out with Q star, H star, whatever star algorithm they coming out with for the computation power is going to take for super GPT to be alive. Not this model. Every model that's being trained, realize the O3 model is projected to surpass O1 by like parameters we have never seen on an open model yet. Even the model with Olama Meta shit, the LCM, yo, LCM is not even as good as GPT's model of getting to their answer. And that's the fucking scary part. Being the first is the motherfucking is the best, but like, yo, gang, GPT, y'all trying to kill us? Claude, y'all trying to kill us? Any nigga right now could get up, ball sweating, stank, pussy dirty, stank, all that shit, nigga, and make an AI system. What the fuck? I don't feel no way because this y'all killing yourselves. Just y'all not just gonna have access to my shit. All my data is private. A repository, the ones that's public, is only for education. Like, the fuck you gonna do with a to do app? Fuck you gonna do with a fucking? Nah, I'm gonna make that one private. It's like music data and shit. But you can't really do nothing with music data, and I just scrape it on the web and shit. But nigga, what? My real shit? Oh yeah, it ain't fuck you, pay me. It's just fuck you. I don't want your money. Go kill yourself with your own device, my nigga. Tech space so open for money. You don't need to give your products to people for money no more, my nigga. It's services that could fucking change the world we live in. Like the CO2, you can make a fucking AI that only automate that. Fucking parking. Don't nobody got to be touching your shit when it come to technology for you to make that bank. I'm just gonna do some Tony Stark shit for myself. Y'all could just be Rick and Morty's for yourselves. Stop helping these niggas that don't know what y'all tech is, because then you get an Elon Musk situation. A random Cybertruck blowing up in front of a place.